Today's tutorial is going to be on the V-stitch granny square. So if you want to learn the V-stitch granny square, I can teach you. Let's get started on that tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on a V-stitch granny square. I am using just some acrylic yarn. I have a 4.0 hooker right here, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I start my granny square with a magic circle. So my magic circle I do like so. Grab my hook, pull this through, turn it, and then just bring over my yarn. And now I'm going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. That counts as a double crochet. Because we're doing a V-stitch granny square, we do have to add a chain. So we're going to do a link, put a double crochet right. Okay, and so we're going to chain 1, put another double crochet right into here. So we'll be there'll be a total of 8 double crochets into this magic circle. So you just got to make sure that you are chaining in between. So I just wanted to make sure I did that, and then we're going to do another double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and then we're going to close this and see how many we have. We should have 8. If we don't, we will just add some. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need one more. Go ahead and put 1 in there. That's 8. Chain 1, and then we're going to slip stitch it to the top of the chain 3, not the chain 4. So we go 1, 2, 3 right here, because the chain chain 3 counts as a double crochet, but we did a chain 3 plus 1, and that plus 1 is the stitch in between. So you got to make sure that you're counting 3 up. All right, so that is the end of that round. So now we're going to go ahead and go on to the next round. So I chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, and in this space here we're going to do a corner. So here's the chain 3, that's double crochet. Got to chain 1 and put a double crochet right into here. Now since it's a corner, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to put another V-stitch in here. If you don't know what a V-stitch is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. That is what this granny square is, so we will be doing V-stitches throughout this whole thing. So right in this stitch here, we're going to put a V-stitch. So we go through and we put a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, now we have to make another corner. So right here, we're going to do another corner. So we put a V-stitch. So that's a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then we're going to chain 2, and then put another V-stitch right into this stitch. So a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, this stitch right here, we just put a V-stitch. So we go a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, so now we need to do another corner. So right here, we're going to do another corner. So it's a V-stitch, chain 2, and then a V-stitch. Okay. Now, right in here, we put a V-stitch. So it's just a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then right in here is another corner. So we put a V-stitch, chain 2, and then another V-stitch right into here. Okay, and so our last one here is just going to be a V-stitch, and then you slip stitch it to the top of the chain 3. So you go 1, 2, 3, and then you slip stitch it to the top of that one. And there you go. That is how your V-stitch granny square is started. Got to pull this tight so it doesn't look all wonky. Okay, so now that we are done with this round, we're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we have a V-stitch right here. So this is a double crochet. We got to put a chain, and then we go ahead and do another double crochet. So that is our V-stitch. Now we're in a corner, so we do a V-stitch, chain 2, and then another V-stitch right into that same stitch because it's a corner. Okay, and so now right here you're going to see the V-stitches. This one is a V-stitch right here, this is a V-stitch, and this is a V-stitch. You will put the V-stitches inside of these V-stitches. So you're going to go through here and you're going to put a V-stitch in this one. Find the other V-stitch, which is right here, and put a V-stitch in that one. Find the other V-stitch right here and put a V-stitch in that one. Now we are in a corner, so in the corner you do a V-stitch, chain 2, a V-stitch. Okay, on this side you're going to have 3 V-stitches again, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to put a V-stitch in each one of them. So there's 1, 2, and then the third one. And then you're going to be right back at the corner. And the corner again is a V-stitch, chain 2, V-stitch. And then we're going to have 3 V-stitches right here, so we're going to go ahead and put the other V-stitches into them. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then in the corner we're going to put a V-stitch, chain 2, and a V-stitch just like we did before. So chain 2, and then another V-stitch right here. Okay, and you should have 2 left over to do. So you go in here and you do your 2. So there's a V-stitch, and then we do 1 more. Okay. And then you go ahead and slip stitch to the top of the chain 3, and that is going to close off that round. And there you go. There is your V-stitch granny square. So you just keep going, keep going, keep going, and you can make it as big as you want. You can change the color whenever you want. And yeah, so it's super easy and it's super fun. It's really cool. And you can see this is a bigger one that I'm doing. This is kind of what it looks like as it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. But yeah, so I hope this tutorial helps you. As always, let me know in the comments if you plan to use the V-stitch granny square. I hope that you guys have an amazing day.